good. So today I am going to discuss about RTI, Right to Information Act 2005, and why it is important and what is the scenarios we can file the RTI. So this is a very interesting topics which is very important for the AIB, judicial and legal services. And it's about the citizens' rights to get the informations from the public authorities. What is the meaning of the public authorities? Public authorities means that any kind of government department. So government department mean that, right? If I'm telling all kind of government department, whether any citizens can get any kind of information from the government of the department. No, completely no. There is a certain restrictions, there is certain limitations. You can't get the information from the certain department. There is a security related kind of any, you see the kind of any research and methodology, any kind of border information, scenic informations, kind of any revenue, kind of so many restricted in the even though in the government department. So whether now question is coming for in the private sector, like any for any company, can the any citizens can get any information from the private. So here also there is a limitations. You or any citizens can't get the direct informations from the private companies or any kind of firms. If you want to get any informations, then there is a indirectly way that like any company or any firm will be recognized, registered, or will have the license from the particular department of the government. From there you can get the informations. So I hope it will be clear. And also any citizens, now the rules also changed for any kind of any NRI, like a non-resident Indians, like any, they also can apply to get the respected informations. And we will see that what are the kinds of the department and what are the, we'll see in the next, the flow diagram, how it will be there, what are the fee will be there, what are the limitations will be there, and which sections falls under the RT and what are the amendments happen. So we'll see. This is RTI 2005. This is a right to information. Also amendment happened RTI in 2019, especially section amendment happened 13, 16 and 27 of the RTI Act. Before it was freedom, before it was Freedom of Information Act. Of Information Act, which is replaced and to the RTI Act 2005. And the next amendment happened in 2019. So we'll see about, and this is the, here we'll see So this one will be here. Here will be SIC. This will be CIC. So SIC will be State Information Commissioner, and this will be Central Information Commissioner. So SIS will be state, and this will be directed by the. This will be directed by state governor. This is directed by President of India. And here the who will be the person will be taking the care for this. So this will be, here person will be PIO. Basically it is common PIO, Public Information Officer. So in SIS it will be SPIO. Here also will be PIO, Public Information Officers. Here will be CPIO. Okay. So this, whichever the application we are sending, okay, here RTI application, okay, when we are putting, then it is goes to the PIO. PIO, either you are sending to the state information commissioner, or you are sending to the central information commissioner. Under inside there will be public information officer. Inside the public information officer, whether it is state or person is a central. So this PIO is general, PIO it will go, then it will be in 30 days, PIO has to give the reply whoever submitted the to get the information from the public authorities. So if is not getting any information kind of from PIO, then the citizens can send for the first appellant for the appeal to get the informations. And so in this case, in this scenario, the persons will be getting the informations because here there is penalties. There is a also there, and the citizens will get the information from the first appeals. If is not happening, then it will be uh, submitted to the court to get the respected informations. And if is not getting, then it will be applied for the kind of any compensation in that scenarios. So these are the flows to understand the RTIs. And this is also one of the is like a fee. So fee is BPL, who is the BPL categories candidate can get the free. The government is giving exemptions. There is no fee from the government side. And for the above BPL, they have the certain charges to pay and to get the respected information. Each and every state is having a different charges. And I hope it will be understandable to you. and you have to go the deep to understand more about that.